Yo guys, what's up? If you're trying to use a Scrcpy and you're getting error, could not find any ADB device, error, server connection failed, don't worry. The fix is super simple. But before we start, I need to clarify something important. Right now I'm showing the phone screen on my PC, but when this error happens, Scrcpy is not working yet. So you cannot change this setting from your PC. You must pick up your real phone in your hand and change this setting directly on your phone. Very important. Now let's fix it. Take your phone, go to settings and about phone. Now find build number tab. Yes, 7 times. After tapping, it will say you are now a developer. Now go back, you will see a new option, developer options. Open that, scroll down, find USB Debugging, turn it on. You'll get a pop-up, tap allow. That's it. Then open Scrcpy again, and no more. Could not find any ADB device. Your phone screen will instantly appear on your PC. So remember, if Scrcpy is not detecting your phone, you must enable USB debugging directly on your phone first. Not on PC, not inside a Scrcpy. On your real phone. That's the key. If this helped you, drop a like. Subscribe for more simple tech fixes.